going to eat you.
A plate with a hole. Okay, plate with a hole. I'm gonna choose yellow.
I'm gonna choose red.
And mix. Okay, red and black. What Jeffrey?
No,
you want to use?
red. No, I got made robot glasses.
Okay, robot glasses. Now we need a plate.
Red.
So let's get a
I
plate.
make robot glasses.
This should be get a plate. Right there.
Daddy.
Okay. Great. There you go. Now you need to find. You need to find 2 by 2 by 6. Are you done? Jeffrey, are you following us?
Yep.
And then you need 2 by 4.
I want to look at the building.
Put it this way.
Green.
That's green.
Put it on the back.
Put it on the back. Yes, done. Now you need to find 2 by 4.
I'm still going to use gray.
Rainbow color. There you
Mine
go.
is the robot.
Yeah.
Jeffrey said beep bop beep bop.
Yeah. Now.
Beep bop beep. Jeffrey beep bop. You want to try this out? Beep bop. Hey, come here, come here, come here. Beep bop. Come here, Jeffrey. Beep bop beep bop. Come back, come back, come back. It's off to the chin.
Put the rounded part. Rounded brick. You ready?
Yeah.
And put it like so on both ends.
Like this?
Yep. Now for the temple.
I can use dark.
For the temple, we need to build something really long. Yeah? You can use this
Mine is sandy color.
sandy color,
You choose rainbow. You choose your own.
or you can use this piece, which is long, if you can find one.
Search.
Right?
Search. I think I put peach together. Peach. Bop, beep, bop, beep,
Beep,
bop.
pop, beep, pop, beep, pop. This is called inverted rounded slope.
Daddy!
You need to put it this way. To make it stronger. There you go.
I need the robot glasses. I look like a robot.
Yeah, it looks like a robot.
Beep, pop, beep, pop. Whoa, you look so cool.
I'm gonna make another one.
Yes,
Other
make
one
another
would
one.
be strawberries red.
Strawberries, and then you
Daddy,
can decorate with the
I need
flowers
this
around it
color.
and a heart.
I make a strawberry. Maybe there's white flowers.
The white flower.
Yeah. The white flower you said would be the seeds.
See, you see here, London, you can decorate with flowers, right?
Yeah.
Later we get
I
the
also
flowers.
can put it here maybe.
Yeah, of course. You can put like little dots on it. Yeah, I told you it's too small, but it looks cute. You won't be able to wear it, but it looks cute.
It's an eeny miny mo.
Mini, miny, mo.
Yours just like a strawberry with white dots.
Yeah, with the white dots. Look at that.
You also got some red. Mine looks like a strawberry. Strawberry. This one is all done. And then this
Mini.
one.
This
I
one
think
here.
go right there with flowers.
Think this is look interesting?
They look like eyebrows.
Look like eyebrows, exactly.
Now,
You need to
I
find
can
two.
put different
Oh,
colors.
beautiful flowers.
That's beautiful.
Looks like seeds. Maybe I could do the other side.
then you made the circle one. But the size, they're all the same.
A bridge. Bridge. What's mine? Oh, this is mine. Bridge. Bridge.
Glasses have become great.
Glasses become bridges.
Uh-huh.
Boom.
What is that? The car?
Now choo choo choo.
Choo-choo
You
train.
can't put car a choo choo train. I'll yak a boat.
Oh.
DJ water out driving.
If this is the glasses, I'm gonna put the eyebrow like this. You see that? And 2. Now how can we put this? Well, we need a snot. Okay, this is a snot.
Daddy, you can send these
See?
flower off.
Snot over here. And then put the eyebrow like so. And then the flower. And let's put this back. There you go. That's a good idea. You have an eyebrow.
That's so cute.
Strawberry glasses.
Strawberry glasses.
Strawberry
Eyebrows.
So what
Look,
color?
it has
I'm gonna put these eyes. What color do you think I should put? This one here?
What is that for?
I don't know. Let's see this here. Okay. And then let's put the plate. 2 by 6. Right? Let's make it look like a lazy eye. Like this. Yes?
Lazy
Yeah,
eye.
lazy eye. And we put this on the back. So do you want to finish it? Yes? What else? What color? What color next? There you go.
Wow.
Shall we make...
I cannot see. I cannot see anything.
Yeah, but on the other side, the camera can see this. Those are basically your eyes. You got a lazy eye. Now let's put this. Look at that, lazy eye. You cannot see anyone else, but everyone can see you with those lazy eyes. Look at that. Look at Jeffrey.
Can you look at the mommy? Where's mommy?
Here's mommy.
Where's mommy?
You
No.
don't know.
Too
I
high.
saw it.
Too high.
Now I can see this.
Oh, from there? Okay.
Yeah.
That's cheating, yeah.
I can
But that's
see.
fine, yeah. That's fine. Look at that. Whoa.
Down a little. Down a little.
Can you scare people like a...
That's scary.
His nose.
Try orange.
Look like carrot, right?
Here,
Show me.
Yeah.
this.
Daddy just add like tears. Crying glasses. Crying glasses.
It's like somebody's crying on the glasses and the glasses get wet.
Get wet.
You can put just like tears on it.
Tears on it. You also want to make it look like crying.
Mm-hmm.
Like
I
a
put
flooding.
in dark blue.
Dark blue also.
It's crying.
Yeah.
Can I be a really to
And then you have to pretend like crying. Like ready?
You're laughing, not
You're
crying.
laughing. You're not crying. Yeah. You pretend crying. You're laughing. You're not crying. That's crying. Yeah. Look at that. Crying. Yeah. We need a hinge. Put it there, or you put it right here. See that? See? Now you can put it on, or you Take it off.
Who
Yeah.
are
Get the
you,
whole
Joe?
box. Get the whole box. You can open one eye. Yes.
Oh.
So basically what we are trying to do is to make it, to make it thicker. It's gonna be heavy. It's gonna be heavy, yeah. Hold on, hold
No,
on.
it's not.
Not yet done. Oh, it's not heavy? Okay, that's good then. But we still need to put more. 1x2 plates. Put it right there. And here. And you know what next?
I'm confused.
Yeah, you need to fill it.
Still not heavy.
Okay. Close. Open. And close. See, it's stronger now. That's better.
I got one eye open.
Yeah, one eye open. One eye open.
Cuckoo. Try this.
What this? What this will be some?
Strawberry. I eat the strawberry. I eat the strawberry.
What this one gonna be some?
A robot.
Like what?
Robot.
Sounds like what?
Or a pilot.
Combo panda. I'm combo panda. Beep bop. I'm combo panda. I'm combo panda. Open. Open.
It's Lego, that's why, right? It's
Okay.
Lego. So you open not too far. If you open too far, that breaks it. Right? You open this way and close, and then open
Robot
this
too
way.
strong.
Yeah, robot is too strong.
Daddy. One eye.
Yeah, go.
Close. Open. Open.
You have three kind of glasses over here. So which one you like the most?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Why? Because of the
And
colorful?
outside.
Because you like strawberry. Okay, good, good,
Cherries are Daddy,
Okay.
down, it cry.
good. Okay, can you wear one by one and show to mommy?
Angry. Fire crying. Fire crying.
Okay, good job.
Where's the missing?
And this one, fire cries like what?
You said fire guy can cry fires.
Cry fires.
Combo panda. Beep. Beep. Beep.